Eddie Grimm says, is the reference Premier line from Klipsch a worthy step up from the reference line in terms of price to performance? I have only heard the reference series, and I always say like this, the reference series. Klipsch used to have the Synergy series, which was their entry level. That was the one they sold at Best Buy. And then they had their reference series, which was the RF7 version. And then they had the Heritage for the most part. That was kind of the three main breakups. They got rid of the Synergy series. Those had silver woofers and drivers, and they replaced those for the most part with the new reference. I'm just not a super fan of those. I would 100%. I've reviewed the reference Premier line, the original, and Klipsch is sending me their new reference Premier, the updated ones. And so I'll have those in for review probably in the next month or so. But I like the reference Premier. I think they offer a huge value if you like the sound from Klipsch, and you like that detail and the clarity that they have and the dynamics that they produce. Some people don't like Klipsch, but I like the sound of Klipsch. But I think the reference Premier is a nice step up, both audibly, but also even cosmetically. It just looks nicer, a lot cleaner.